Hi, estate planning attorney Brian Barboza here, and today I'm going to discuss why it is critically important to have an estate plan in place before you pass away. Before we get started, if estate planning is something that you are interested in exploring or talking more about, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. All right, why is it critically important for you to have an estate plan before you pass away? Well, first, while you are still alive, during the time of your life where you may become, say, incompetent or incapacitated, let's say you develop a severe dementia or Alzheimer's, and you are no longer able to make good, sound financial decisions or even good, sound healthcare decisions for yourself, by having created an estate plan, and if that estate plan included a power of attorney as well as an advanced healthcare directive, you've already put someone in place who can help make those decisions for you, that you trust, that you know is going to make decisions in your best interest. So you've designated a power of attorney to help manage your financial affairs while you're unable to do so yourself, bank for you, file tax returns for you, talk to your creditors, pay your creditors, make mortgage payments, things like that. You've also designated somebody to make healthcare decisions, like helping pick maybe a specialist, a doctor, a primary care physician, making decisions about medications, maybe placement, if there's a certain hospital or care facility that you should be at. That person you've designated to make those decisions when you're unable to make those for yourself. So you've protected yourself from that very difficult time in your life, whereas if you didn't have that set up already, your family may not know what to do, they may not know what you want to have done, and unfortunately there could be what's called a conservatorship, which is a court proceeding which places you in a conservatorship, so someone's going to be designated as that person who's in charge of you and your property. And it might not be someone you want, it may be very contentious between your family. So by having that estate plan in place, you've kind of, you got out ahead of that problem. And then of course, when you eventually do pass away, you've already determined in your estate plan via a trust or by your will how you want your property to be distributed to your heirs and beneficiaries, in what manner it should go to them, also who you want to handle your estate when you pass away, who's going to be in charge of your trust, who's going to be in charge of being the executor of your will. So you've already again solved that problem for your family. So they don't start bickering or fighting or having conflict over who's going to be the executor of your estate, who gets what. There are two areas in law which cause a lot of, unfortunately, irreparable problems amongst family. Of course, divorce is one of them, and the other one, unbeknownst to a lot of people, is estate planning. If you or when someone passes away, having to go through a probate case, that causes so many familial issues, or family, and not just maybe your blood relatives, but maybe spouses of your children. People start fighting about what they should get, what they deserve. One child stayed home to help care for you. The other ones were, living somewhere else, and the one child thinks that they should get more than the other children who weren't around. It causes an irreparable, sometimes, gap between your family, which they may never get over. So by having that will and having that trust in place in your estate plan, you've already, if it was done well and drafted correctly, you've already kind of got out ahead of that problem as well. So those are some very important reasons why it is critical to have an estate plan in place before you pass away. All right, as always, if you want to talk about estate planning, give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com. Book an appointment to speak with me for free through the website. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Hope you got something out of it, and have a good rest of your day. All right, take care. Bye.